Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Guys, what a very beautiful morning we experienced, Idol, while doing our running program here at Boulevard. Wow, chance feeding all these birds, and seems like they are here in Boulevard as waiting for somebody give them food. Wow. I told guys experience for yourself, especially if you are also have a program here is a Boulevard and chance meeting these very friendly lovebirds. I know. Wow. Guys, we have beautiful quotes about birds, that birds powered by his own life, of course, and powered by his own motivation. Wow, I told you. Please like, share, and follow. Let's